Champion Llamas. So, no sé en qué rayo compiten, pero son campeonas.
En escupir.
En escupir. en algo son campeonas.
No, es escupir.
Será brutal que te escupiera una dama.
¿En serio?
Sí.
¿Y qué tú vas a hacer? ¿Ponerlo en YouTube?
Un museo, ¿ok?
Oh, mira qué lindo.
La leche.
Y así entregaban eso a las casas, a las puertas.
No, pero. ¿Ah?
Y hacías un delivery a los trucks, llevaban los trucks. Ah, mira, y entonces la entregaban desde las 4:30 de la mañana hasta las 10 de la mañana. Eso era para esos tiempos. Yo creo que esto es mejor preparado que los camiones de ahora.
La estufa. Mira la estufa.
¿Y esa tiene el carbón o el charcoal?
Esa tú le metías yo creo que tú le metías ay, perdón. Por allá abajo le metías
El charcoal.
no el charco, la madera.
leña.
La leña.
Ok. Pero me metiste con eso. Mira arriba, hay cosas. ¿Y la maquinaria que era antes? Sí, eso era para cortar la grama o para hacer la sal.
Eso es como un tren, una función de un tren.
No.
¿Qué es eso? Sí,
Sí.
a steam engine.
Míralo por la gorra y acá, míralo.
About 2,000. Normal fires are 6 But they can, yeah, campfire, yeah, you have to take your
On the slide. On the
Y
slide.
tiene la leche atrás también. Market slide.
Slide. Los sillones. La madre se sentaba ahí. Mira. Mira qué duros dan esos sillones, esos aceros.
Eso tenían la parte trasera.
¿Ah?
Lastima.
Tacho. La columna vertebral estaban jodidas en estos tiempos. Era.
Y ahora yo sé por qué decían, no, yo me sentaba en los sillones que me dolía la espalda.
Esto era una viejita, una carroza.
Sí.
Oye, pero tenía chocasol, mira. Tenía sprint este
Y tú
sofá.
eres igualito a como sales en la televisión.
¿Sí?
Sí, igual de bruto.
Tenían su banda. Ya ellos siguieron empezaron a hacerlo más cómodo. Bueno, es un sofá.
Parece.
Ahora va a ser un sofá. Era.
Mira, that's Santa Claus. Tiene Santa Claus arriba.
Look, there's a
Sí, está
picture.
lindo.
Patito. 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 Where's the axe? Pickaxe is right there.
Oh, wow, mira, esto era para cultivo, para hacer las líneas para cultivar. Esta máquina era.
Pero la vaca es grande. Es mío, don't touch it. Look at Leo. Ah, mira, están hinchadas de leche.
Está meando,
Beba, ¿cómo tú llamas a las vacas que dan leche? No, ¿cómo tú llamas a las vacas que dan leche?
Dairy cow?
No,
¿Qué?
vaca lechera.
Diablo. ¿Quién fue que dijo eso?
Tu mamá.
Ah, ok.
Oh, mira que baby, right here. Wow. Eso está por explotar, ¿viste? Mira. Se explotó la bolsa. Mira.
Mira qué grande es. Se llama Pearl.
Hey, Pearl. ¿Cuál es el nombre, Pearl? Oh, Pearl.
She needs milk.
Oh, she was born in June 2019.
I can't see. You could see.
She's 4 years old. Look at little mohawk.
Let's give our Mookie Shorter exhibitors one big round of applause. We've got our junior and senior champions out for grand of the open show, and we've got two really nice heifers, and we've got two big powerful cows. And for me today, I'm looking at who I think is going to go on in a bigger show today. And for that reason, I'm going to actually nod to my junior heifers today for your grand and reserve. I just think if we took them today and put them in a large show,
Los nombres ahí.
well. The ones up here on the other end of the ring might want to change the way they're in condition today, give them a little more bloom. So your grand champion will be on your fall calf, reserve on your amateur yearling, and the fall calf will also be grand of the junior shows.
Olivia Myers, reserve grand champion, went to Taylor Buell for the junior.
Se ve limpiecita, linda. Mira, cuidado. Que ella está liqueando, ella tiene un liqueo.
La beba.
Ella tiene un liqueo.
Beer.
No, están bien limpias, ¿verdad?
You want one?
Ay, qué linda. Mira chiquito, mira este bebé chiquito. Bebé, mira bebecito.
Hondito.
That's the babyish one.
Este es baby. Parece que ese mochito.
Nació, sí, nació hace poco.
I named the little one Winnie.
Three place winners in this class here, and we'll be over next group over here as well. Power,
Y lo rico que sabe.
y la leche. He'll be your second place. Just not as much dairy character today, not as uniform, and strength and placing, but really two great groups. Congratulations.
Mira, aquí, mira. Look at, no finger. Yo no sé un rayo de conejo, pero the best of what bread.
Mira el negro.
What's the point?
Look at that one.
Huh?
This is
Look at this one.
Invisible.
You see it? It's invisible.
Invisible rabbit.
Can you see it?
yeah.
It's invisible. Where is it?
Put your finger. No, ese es imperativo. Mira, ese es imperativo. Mira la que tiene.
Hay unas bolas. Mira, no, las kirikiki son enteras. Son así, mira aquí. La kirikiki.
Uno sabe más. Mira, se va desviando. Oh, I can
Yeah,
see
he
through
was
his
born
one.
today. Este es grande. No, eso da duro, sí. Bé. Bé.
Ellos escupen.
¿Ah? Hay dos ovejas, parecen humanos, mira.
I think the show is starting. They're gonna do a race, I think. Un obstacle race para los animales. Van a hacer una carrera de los animalitos aquellos. Touch it. Hold on, let me. You and Lina, we're fighting. Eso tiene que molestar.
Lina tiene dormida, mira.
And Pat. So rabbit hopping started in Europe in the 70s. And we're just having some fun with it now over here. Our first rabbit, his name is Todd. Todd is a Rhinelander rabbit. The breed comes from Germany. I don't know. There we go. How much?
Come on, Todd. Oh, last one. Last one. All right.
All right.
Mira, aquel es gordo, es blanquito. Este es Jun, y Jansen es del medio y Jun.
Bueno.
A ver si me escupe.
Las lamas. Vamos a ver si escupe a María. Será brutal que te escupiera una lama.
¿En serio?
Sí.
¿Y qué tú vas a hacer? ¿Ponerlo en YouTube?
No me miras a mí. ¿Nunca la has visto? Vale. Champion Llamas. No sé en qué rayo compiten, pero son campeonas.
En escupir.
En escupir. en algo son campeonas.
No, escúpeme,
So-
escúpeme.
Mira, ya ahí están puestas las iniciales mías. Mira.
Oh, sí, Arnaldo
Arnaldo
Nazario.
Nazario.
Pero es una W.
No,
Oh, sí, es una A y una W.
Arnaldo Nazario.
Es Well. ¿Qué?
No,
Wolfhorn.
con los pelos de la oveja. ¿Qué hacen?
Pregúntale. The fiber from de qué animal, dile.
That's from a sheep, right? No. A sheep.
Grábalo.
This is from a sheep that I've got in my hand,
Grábalo.
and so this is ready to spin.
So what's the process? So they,
Okay, you shear the sheep, and you get something that looks like the stuff in the bags there, and then this has been washed because sheep don't take baths, and I ran it through the drum carder, which organized the fibers to make it so it'll be easier to spin.
Oh, okay.
It's a big hunk of fiber, and then you spin the fiber like so. Then you wash it again and make it into yarn. At which point you can knit or crochet or weave.
And how much they sell that roll?
We don't sell, nothing here is for sale because this is all competition fiber.
Okay.
But depending on where, it's like a skein of yarn can be a real bargain or it can cost you $60. It depends on how labor intensive it is, how rare the fiber is, and how much it's hand processed versus machine processed. So every step that adds value adds cost.
How much you want to bet is it gonna pay?
No, it's not. There's no guinea pigs over here.
Where's it? Okay, where's the ears?
They cut off the ears.
Look at the colita. Look at
Guinea pigs?
guinea pig.
No.
No. Close.
It's a rodent. It's in the water. It's native to Connecticut.
Oh,
the little thing that goes down, el coso ese que come los
Otter?
patos.
no,
Nope, not an otter.
beaver.
A beaver.
Nope, smaller beaver.
What is it then?
That golden
Muskrat.
Oh, muskrat.
Muskrat.
Is this a fox?
That's fox. So this is a beaver.
Beavers are big.
Beavers are big. You wouldn't be that. I mean, you only ever see their head when they're swimming, so you don't suspect how big they are.
This is a fox.
Coyote.
Okay.
So we've got red
Everybody's
fox,
going
and
today.
then this is. So you got red fox and gray fox.
Oh, those are in Connecticut too?
Yep. So gray fox, actually, red fox are not native to North America. The Brits brought them over in like 1700s because they fox hunt, right? That's a big thing in England. They didn't like hunting our boring little gray foxes. They liked the red foxes, so they brought the red foxes over. And also, these guys are hard to hunt because they live in the trees. They're the only canid species in North America that can climb. They have specialized joints in their shoulders and wrists that can rotate, so they can actually do this and like climb trees like cats. And so they live almost exclusively in the trees. They're very cat-like. They eat birds, squirrels, chipmunks, and things. But yeah, these are our native fox, and then the fancy foxes were introduced.
Are the gray foxes like smaller?
Yes, they're typically smaller.
This is easy.
Very curious.
I wonder what
That one's easy.
That was easy.
Isn't that hard?
This one, this is the Fisher. The Fisher cat, everyone calls it. They're not Fisher cat, it's just Fisher. They're giant weasels. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
And they're actually, so the largest member of the weasel family in Connecticut is actually the otter. Otters are giant weasels. They're super vicious. I would not want to cross paths with an otter. And the Fisher kind of get a bad rap. Everyone's like, oh, they're vicious. They sound horrible. They make that awful scream. But they live in the trees. They eat squirrels, chipmunks, baby bunnies. But none of these animals, unless they were sick or cornered, are dangerous to people.
I want to be like water.
And even bears, I tell people, just don't roll yourself in peanut butter before you go walk in the woods. And
Peanut butter, and then you're playing.
you know, oh yeah,
That's a joke.
That's a joke.
Mira, papa, como si fuera
Con hot dog.
tornado.
Hot dog, tomato, potato. Con hot dog.
Allá, para hacerlo allá.
Hot taco.
That was so perfect. I enjoyed that.
¿La área de qué? De las calabazas. Y son reales.
No.
Son reales. Wow. El peso, 1525 libras pesa la calabaza esta. Esta es la madre de las calabazas. Gacho. Esa pesa 1000 libras. Esa pesa 1000 libras. Sí, pero un trofeo ¿por qué? ¿Cuánto pesa esa? 1950 libras pesa aquella. Hoy te beba. 1950 libras pesa esa calabaza. ¿Qué es eso? Long gourds.
Yo nunca había visto una calabacita.
Es una pera, eso es.
Emocionante, papi.
Parece una pera, ¿crees que es una pera?
Sí, yo creo que sí, mira un melón. I think it's a pera.